Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today I have this beautiful bob. It's 12 inches, 13 by 6 parting space, just amazing. So if you guys are interested in seeing this install, then stay tuned. Today's wig is from Donmily Hair. They sent me a wig cap with this adjustable strap. The wig, of course, is 12 inches. It is a bob wig and it comes pre-plucked, as you guys can see. I was really amazed because when I pulled out the wig, I was getting ready to customize it and I noticed that the knots were actually bleached on the parting space as well as the front. So here is the wig on my head and so far, so good. I love this texture. This hair is so soft. I'm not even kidding. It's super flowy. This is gonna be a really easy install because all you have to do is really just glue it down, or this is a really good wig for a glueless install. And it came pre-bleached, like around the hairline and the parting space, so we're good to go. All right, now I'm gonna use my Got To Be Glued to install this wig. We're just gonna do a thin layer. So if you want to have a longer install, then just do 2 coats of the Got To Be Glue. But I switch wigs like every couple of days, if that. So this is the best method for me to install this wig. All right, y'all, I just took the scarf off and this is how the frontal's looking. Did my makeup. Now we are gonna slay this hair, okay? So it's a little bit of extra gel here. We're gonna wipe it off. And we don't wanna mix that with the makeup. And we're gonna do a swoop. I'm gonna take my hot comb and press this out. I'm gonna take my mousse, put a little bit on these edges. Not too much on my face because I just did my makeup. I'm gonna take my baby hair brush. Got that done. Now it's time to straighten this hair. And I'm just gonna take big chunks since it's pretty much already straightened. It's just a little bump on the ends from sitting in the package. Now this hands down is one of my favorite wigs, okay? Especially a bob, the hair is so soft You can just run your fingers through it. There's no tangling, no shedding. I literally just installed this wig. Like, it was so easy. It took me less than an hour. Usually it takes me a couple of hours to do a wig because I have to bleach the knots, pluck it and everything. But this wig came pre-customized, it came pre-plugged, and the parting space also was bleached. So you didn't have to do anything to the wig, just add some pressed powder if you want to. So I put some pressed powder here. I would add some to the parting space, but I got a swoop going on so you really can't see the part. But if you're looking to do a middle part, then just add you a little bit of foundation and you can just go. This is the perfect wig if you like glueless styles. I should have did it glueless because it was that easy, but I really like to lay my wigs because I like the baby hair to look as natural as possible. I just don't want anyone to come up and just snatch this wig. Like, you're really gonna have to work to get this wig off. You're gonna have to do a little tugging, okay? But the hair is amazing. I would highly recommend this hair. It's from Donmily Hair, and I worked with them a few times. They are one of my favorite companies to work with because their hair is always A1. I highly recommend this hair. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer those. I want to thank Donmily Hair for sending me this hair, and you guys for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I will see you in my next video. Later.